Hello everybody. All right, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, we're vlogging and driving. I know I shouldn't be, but today is field trip day and it's No Shave November, so I look kind of rough, and I'll be honest, it's taken me like, I don't even know what today's date is, 15 days to get this far. So it's already really starting to kind of itch a little bit. Not a beard guy. Seth is gonna meet us here, and the reason we're coming is because we need parts for the Audi drift car that I just don't want to buy brand new, because I don't know if they're gonna work quite well, if they're gonna work at all, or they might be right and perfect and I can buy a brand new one. Oh, the EG hatch is so sick. You never know what you're gonna find when you come to the junkyard as far as like other car people here getting stuff, so it's kind of fun. So we're coming out to get some junk parts to test on the RwdyAudi build, see what's what. That's the plan. We're gonna try to find a flywheel. We need some pigtails for the wiring harness, and maybe we'll just see what else we can find while we're at it. So yeah, let's go. All right, well, I walked out to the car and look who I found. This guy. Well, this is going to be our donor candidate, the RwdyAudi's mock-up clutch. Oh, don't die on us out here.
It's super windy out.
All right, so the internet says this should work. I take a 3800, which uses the same or very similar flywheel bolt pattern, and I should be able to bolt this up to my LS engine with my T5. All's well that ends well, and it'll spin and do starty things. So that's what we're gonna do. We are going to get underneath of here and pull that clutch and flywheel assembly off and see how it fits on my engine. Guys, if you are new to this channel, please don't hesitate to smash that subscribe button if you love Volkswagens and Audis and Porsches and all things European, because that is all we do on this channel. We do DIYs, we do maintenance, we do drag racing things, drift racing things, autocrossing things. We build weird shit like this LSA powered Audi A6, and that's what we do. So smash that like button, smash that sub button, and continue enjoying this content. Ow!
What happened?
I hit myself in the head. All right, there's our clutch and our, wow, this is like new, dude. All right, you wanna come to the other side? I'll hand you, oh, you got it right there. All right, here's the bolts.
Will you use it?
Huh?
Will you use it?
I'm gonna use it for mock-up.
Oh, okay.
Maybe a burnout. A burnout. Whoa, this Hitachi is baller, dude. Yeah, so that's got a really small bolt pattern.
Yeah, it is.
I'm not sure if this is gonna work or not.
We're gonna go find an LS car.
I wish we could find a proper LS car with a flywheel in it.
I wish you could just find a proper LS car with a transmission. That'd be great. 350, I think, ain't it?
No, that's just a typical LS. Yeah, that'll work perfect. Dude, that might be right. Dude, that's close. Line that sucker up. Let's see if it's similar.
Well, you're in the sunlight. Let's do it the other way. It'd be easier to look at.
Yeah, set that one on top of there.
Yeah, this is way different.
Way
Way wider, buddy.
Huh. All right, internet, you're wrong. That does not.
We don't need that.
Yep, that's all junk. Okay, so.
We'll just hang on to this to keep checking stuff.
Yep. We're gonna rob some parts off this Express van. All right, we're doing a drive-by cable setup. So to stick with this typical spare parts racing mottos, we're gonna take this gas pedal assembly and we're gonna take the throttle cable to go with it. All right, well, you know, if I'm gonna come out to the junkyard, I gotta go look at my favorite cars. See what kind of crappy Audis are sitting in the boneyard. Got a nice 3.0 Avant here. What else we got? G35, Volvo, another 3.0. Woo! Sabi boy. No, ooh, 1.8. Some good parts there, I'm sure. I'm pretty sure that's like a G35 silhouette. Yeah, most definitely. That's a G35. Right there on the back of this Audi. Somebody busted that window out of that all-road. And the B5. Yeah, here. You got anything good underneath there? Oh, locked. Alright guys, well, so today's event at the Junkyard was kind of, how do you want to say it, exciting as we thought. We thought we was going to find the right clutch and have all these extra bits. What I did end up finding was a bunch of pigtails, gas pedal, and a handful of other bits. But that's not why I turned the camera back on. So we've talked a lot about this guy's car that he's building in the background. So seeing as we're so close to his house, Seth, would you tell us exactly what this is?
So this is a 1991 Ford Probe GT. The GT model came factory with the turbo and the first generation Probes. The second generation came with the V6 and a 4-cylinder. But yeah, the first generations had this 4-cylinder. The only thing different between the base model 4-cylinder and the GT, minus the turbo system obviously, is injectors, fuel systems. It's got a different style electronic distributor, the others little things, but the pistons are different. Other than that, the rods, the crank, the block, the heads, the springs, the valves, whatever, all the same.
So how much power can one of these take before they go boom?
We've got a guy in the community, Alex McConnell. I'll have to put a link in for this video, but he's got a few dyno pulls and some nice little street pulls and stuff. Cool little setup, something that motivates me a little bit. But he is pushing, to answer your question, 480.
Whoa!
Yeah.
At the tire. And how much does this weigh? Like 2,200 pounds?
This car right now is 2640. Yeah.
Wow, that's quick. That's a quick probe.
This is my car. This is my 91. It's I've had many of these. Welcome to my little.
This is Seth's casa.
My little niche.
We won't show that side.
Yeah, it's my roommate's side. He was actually planning on moving and stuff, so things are a little jumbled right now.
But he does LS things.
It's pretty organized in here, and yeah, we keep we do a little live action in here from time to time.
So you think you're gonna take? You think this will take the LSA?
No. If you just keep spinning, sure. Yeah.
We'll have to do our own version of this versus that. Have you seen those on Hoonigan?
Yeah.
We'll do our own version of this versus that when these are done.
You can check out that clearance issue I was mentioning.
Oh yeah.
Shitty.
That is.
I didn't account for that.
Yeah, shit happens. All right, guys. That's where we're gonna end this week's
episode.
Episode. Daily, weekly, vloggy thingy, and
the thing that you do.
Yeah, this thing that I do.
Yeah.
So, all right, guys. Well, that's all I have. I'll see you next time. Peace. I'm outie.